Good morning, everybody. This is Robert again. This is the Ti-Nspire walkthrough 2, which is going to cover how to use the nDeriv or nDeriv function, as I like to call it, on the Ti-Nspire. Um, just a quick heads up, my voice might sound a little bit raspy or low, or just sort of deep. The reason why is because I've been a little bit sick these past 2 or 3 days, so just forgive me. Yeah, I'll try to speak with a little bit of a higher voice, or a louder voice. I mean, to get through this. So, let's get started. This is our agenda for today. I'm going to show how to get to the nDeriv function. Walk through two different methods of pulling up this function, and show how to use this function. Show how this function can be used to your advantage very quickly. Ignore the typo. When and when not to use this so quickly, because there are situations where, although you could use the nDeriv function, it's probably not recommended given the problem. Or in this example, MCQ problem and quick solution. Say you have the function f of x equals x squared minus 5x plus 3. What is f prime of 10, the derivative at x equal to 10? So this is a type of problem where you could use the nDeriv function very quickly, instead of doing the power rule 3 times for this function here, or just 2 times and then just counting the constant as a 0. So yeah, you could use it here very quickly, and you could get full credit or points given whatever Scantron or test examination you're taking, because there's no requirement that you show work, but there are times when you do need to show work. So let's go to Ti-Nspire here. So to get to the nDeriv function, you could do it in one of two ways. You can do you can press menu and go to calculus, and then you could press either derivative or derivative at a point. If you want to do the if you want to if you want to uh, if you want to excuse me, if you want to do similar to what the nDeriv function did in the TI-84, but on the Ti-Nspire, you click the second one, derivative at a point. The first one, it just gives you just a general derivative equation. So here is your variable. You just plug in x, and if I put in some expression like x squared, for instance, I'm just going to get 2x. Just the general derivative of this function. But if I press menu for and want to find the derivative at a point, so say the variable is x and the value is 1. So I could put in x squared again, and basically it outputs this function again here, but substitutes 1 for x, so the derivative at a point essentially. There's another way to pull this function up is you could press this book right here on your calculator, right above your division symbol. And my bad. Sorry, not the book, but the one next to this button right here. And if you press this derivative button, then you could get the general derivative of x squared. So this is how you get 2x. So yeah, those are the two ways to get the nDeriv function. So yeah, I just don't use it for problems where you're required to show work, because if you just plug in the problem, this expression here, and then get the derivative and just show what the derivative is, chances are you're going to lose points, because your grader will not be able to tell where you got your answer from. So for this problem here, x squared minus 5x plus 3, let's find it at that point, x equal to 10. Minus 5x plus 3. And I got 15. And that is our answer D here. So I think that covers that. And yeah, this is an example problem where you could use it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to email me, and have a wonderful day.